In order to get your dream job, or any job for that matter, you may need to learn some basic essentials. This webinar will guide you through the process. The topics we will go through are how to write professional emails, what professional statements are, why they are important, and where you can go to find good sources of information and how you can write them, and how to make professional phone calls.
A professional email may be the first thing an employer sees. It needs to make a good impression. Spelling and grammar errors give the impression that you've not given it enough importance to have a read through. If you lack confidence in your own ability, get someone to read it through for you. Professional language is also important. Refrain from using slang or informal language such as "hi mate" or add memes or emojis, even if you know them socially, etc. Use Mr. or Miss or other formal titles. Remember to add a subject line. This is what the recipient will first see. If you don't put anything in, they may not even read it. Think carefully about what you put, as this could make all the difference. Example, job needed, or application for the position of customer service advisor.
Personal statements are needed for most job, college and university applications. This is where you get to say how wonderfully you meet the job specifications, that you are the kind of person they're looking for this job. Personal statements need to be carefully written to show how your experiences meet the needs of the role. Be careful not to just write a list of skills, but give real examples. For example, I am a responsible person, as demonstrated in my role as a paper delivery person, in which I am responsible for ensuring all my customers get the paper delivered promptly. Pause and look to see which of these personal statements is better. It's the second one, as this gives examples of your skills in a real context, not just a list which could have been made up. Now listen to Rita and Alex. Alex will demonstrate two different approaches to making a phone call. See which one you think sounds better, and make a note of why.
Good morning, take your place. Anita speaking, how can I help you?
Yeah, I'm looking for a job.
What kind of job are you looking for?
Anything.
What skills and qualifications do you have?
Not sure.
I'm sorry, but I'm not sure we have anything suitable for you at the moment. Good morning, take your place. Rita speaking, how can I help you?
Good morning. My name's Alex. I'm looking for a job. I did some research on your company and I'd really like to work for you.
Hello, I'm pleased to hear that you've researched us. Please can you tell me a little bit about yourself? What skills, interests and qualifications do you have?
Well, I've just finished my GCSEs and am awaiting the results. But I want to work in retail and learn more about excellent customer service and how the business works. I'm keen to learn, hardworking and reliable.
Well, that sounds like just the right traits we're looking for. Please give me your email address and I will send you an application form. If you send it in with your CV, we'll be in touch soon.
Can you see how a little bit of preparation will help you sound more confident? In the second clip, Alex was more prepared and therefore came across as more confident and employable. Remember to sound confident and friendly. Be clear on the purpose of your call and what information you require. Make a few notes or practice with someone you're comfortable with. How you address people has an impact on how they view you.
Thank you for joining us for this session. Remember, go back to day 5 and see what other exercises that we have to help you.